How to make clip-in hair extensions. The ultimate DIY guide for 2026. Hair extensions have long been the beauty industry's best-kept secret for achieving voluminous, cascading locks overnight. Among the myriad of options available, clip-in hair extensions reign supreme as the most versatile, non-damaging, and user-friendly method. They allow you to transform your look in minutes without the commitment of glue, tape, or sew-ins. However, finding the perfect set, one that matches your exact root color, desired volume, and head shape, can sometimes be a challenge and expensive. This is where learning how to make clip-in hair extensions becomes a game changer. https://how-to-make-clip-in-hair-extensions-for-2026/ Hashtag weft hair extensions. Hashtag what is a weft hair extensions? Hashtag real weft hair extensions. Hashtag machine weft hair extensions. Hashtag raw hair luxury.